What's up, y'all, man? So the groceries came in, and look where I put them. Yes. This COVID thing is causing us to have to call the Amazon people to drop the thing off, and now look where I put the groceries, man. I gotta carry all these things upstairs. Well, there's an A on there for awesome, and a C on there for cool. So let's get it. That's what I gotta go through, man. I gotta literally cut every box open. Every bag open. It's good that they put these in the inside to keep it cold. Oh man, wait till I show y'all what I got, man. Throw that up there. See, I start unpacking stuff. This is why I gotta open these bags first. I want y'all to see what's in the refrigerator now. Man. Alright, so check it out. I'm gonna take y'all to the kitchen. To see what's going on in the refrigerator. Hold on. We're gonna do it right. Yes.
At least some shit that I'm not gonna eat, so I'm gonna throw this away.
Look, I got it, man. And then this is ginger that I'm going to juice. And these that I'm going to eat. Alright, so I'm throwing this in the trash. And this, they had, man, I ain't gonna talk about it. It's in the trash. Now look at it. And all of a sudden, two. Yeah, that's more like it. Wait. Oh, no, this ain't like me. I need more. Huh? Yeah, no, that's more like it. So I got a lot going on here with color. Need that colorful. What am I gonna do here? Alright, so check it out. It's all food. Ever since I went vegetarian, I won't need none of them crab legs and that shrimp. Shrimps is good, man. What y'all know about them shrimp? Y'all don't know about them shrimp like I know about them shrimp. I know that. That's what I know. We gonna add this without y'all seeing. Hey, don't be hating, yo. Don't be hating. I got two of them. Don't be hating. And as you see, all this stuff is vegetarian. Vegetarian, baby. We not playing. Vegetarian. We not playing. Vegetarian. We not playing. I don't even eat meatballs like that. I got it. You hear me? And then, so you see, you got the frozen foods. I try to keep that limited. Burgers and all that stuff. Meatballs. Alright, and then you go right here, and then you got so much life down here. You got the okra, you got dates, you got avocados, cherries, squash, cucumbers, blueberries, and peppers. These are what I'm growing in my in the back, right here. They look just like those. And watermelon. And I'm the biggest stereotype when it comes to the watermelon, man. I eat that watermelon like it ain't no watermelon left. Alright, then the onions and the asparagus. As you look up here, you got the mangoes. The young coconut, which is bomb. It's help you get hydrated. And then I got the celery. I plan on juicing that. I don't really like celery. I just juice it. You got the cantaloupe. You got the key limes. That's the limes with the seeds in it. Ooh. Now it's clean up time. Got trash all over the place. Yep, clean up time. Oh wait, I forgot to show y'all. Alright, so that's there. We're still looking good. They're coming in. Look how big it is. And you see that flower? So now I'm questioning, like, is this actually amazing? Because I'm thinking this might actually be a pepper. Oh no. Oh no, this is crazy, man. I meant to tell y'all that, but now you see, if you don't see the little things right here, right there, one right here, one right. So we got one right there and one right there, and I think that's and one up here. Actually, it's a few up there. But we'll see what those are too, because I'm gonna have to find out. And it's a beetle. They're eating up the leaves. I think I don't want to spray any pesticides inside. And if anything, I could try to find maybe something else, that another plant that attracts like bees to keep those away. And get some more pollination over here. I don't know if it's really needed, but we can doing a great job. Let's get close up. Yeah, look at that. The root is up in there tight, and those little prickly things, they don't really hurt my legs. They're prickly. So it's all around the whole entire thing. This one. Yeah, these came a long way. We had the bill in here, and I think the bill was stopping this one from being big. And I think this yellow one back there getting too much heat. I'm gonna have to keep these things more water, keep more water in these because there's some over there too. But as far as like the growth and how strong the roots look, it looks great. And I'm loving this, man. I'm loving it. Look at that. 1, 2, it look like 3 on. Let me see. 1, 2. Wonder grow like 3 and they grow in a bunch like outward. If so, I'm gonna have to transplant some of these and give them their own space. Now I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but I'm figuring it out. I don't even know if I can do that. I don't think I can do that. Alright, that's the end of this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe.